So we have a geometric sequence here. We are going to find the general term for the geometric sequence in which T3 is equal to 60 and T7 is equal to 960. Right, so here we go. So we know our general formula for geometric sequences is T to the n is equal to A r n minus 1, where A is the first term and r is our ratio. That's our common ratio that we have. All right, so here we aren't given A or R, so we kind of have to work with two different equations again. So for T3, well, T3 is going to be equal to 60, and that means we have AR3 minus 1, where N is 3 and our Tn is equal to 60. This would be Tn is equal to 60 here, so 60 goes in for Tn, and N here would be equal to 3. So that's going to be one of our equations. We could just simplify that a little bit. And then our other equation is going to be 960 is equal to AR, and in this case, 7 minus 1. So we get 960 is equal to AR to the power of 6. Similarly to finding the substitution and elimination method. However, here we're going to divide. So we have 960 is equal to AR to the 6 divided by 60 is equal to AR to the 2. So when we divide, we are going to be getting 16, which is equal to A has a 1 on it, and this A has a 1 on it. And when we have common bases with the same exponents, we're subtracting over the division sign, so these will cancel out, and here we'll get r to the power of 4, because 6 subtract 2 is 4. Now this is saying what to the power of 4 is 16? Well, we can find that by doing the fourth root. So the fourth root of r to the 4, those will cancel out, and then we'll also take the fourth root of 16, and the fourth root of 16 is 2. So r is equal to 2. You can also find that out by doing 1 to the power of 4 is, well, not 16, 2 to the power of 4, and then we get 16. So you can see r is equal to 16. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and put that into this equation. So we have A, and then we found that r is 2, so 2 to the power of 6. All right, so this gives us 960 is equal to A times 64. Then we're going to divide both sides by 64. And we are going to get that A is equal to 15. And here we are still looking for the general term. So the general term is our regular formula, where instead of A, we are going to write 15. Instead of R, we're going to write 2, and then N minus 1. That's our final answer.